Personal security. Personal security deals with the security of the worker as well as of the government resources. Now, this personal security, which is the second most important component of biosecurity, increases the level of assurance of honesty, trustworthy, and of loyalty of worker with the government resources or with the things with which the worker is dealing with. By this, we can reduce the risk of loss and damage as well. That is the theft of pathogens and the toxins from the lab. It can be reduced. Otherwise, these risks can be used for terrorism in future. Now, what are the requirements of personal security? The first one is robust pre-employment screening. इसके लिए पहला स्टेप ये है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एम्प्लॉयमेंट का एड न्यूज़पेपर में एडवर्टाइज करे, लोग फॉर्म्स फिल करके देखें और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उन फॉर्म्स को प्रॉपरली स्क्रीन करे. फर्स्ट स्टेप एजुकेशन, second is the training or the experience, and the third one are the references. The organization must check up to at least 3 references ताकि reliable लोगों को hire किया जा सके. The second requirement is the effective line management. Then personal security also deals with the employee welfare and clear lines of communication. There should be a strict security system so that only authorized person can enter into the lab. अगर engineers ने equipment सही करने आना है या गैस वाटर सप्लाई का मसला है और इन सर्विसेज को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए जो लोग लैब में आ रहे हैं उनको चाहिए कि सबसे पहले इजाज़तनामा लें और फिर लैब में एंटर हो सकें.